Get excited about the 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a blind spot monitoring system, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power rear cargo door, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 13 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you